What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of adding a background image to your HTML and CSS projects using Visual Studio Code. Background images can enhance the visual appeal of your web pages and improve user experience. By following the steps, you'll learn how to effectively implement background images in your web development projects. Choose a suitable image for your background. Ensure it is of high quality and relevant to your content. Save the image in your project directory. For this example, we will use an image named background.jpg. To apply the background image, you need to write some CSS code. Now open your CSS file where you will add the styles. As you can see, mine is already created. All we need is a background image and the style.css tab. Type this as you can see in the video. And make sure that your background name is background.jpg or any name you want to put in your background. Make sure that your background is also the name you created, like for example, tanjiro.jpg. So make sure that your background image name should be tanjiro.jpg. As you can see, this is the result for background and CSS. You can use this setting too in the background, like background image, to define the image to be used as the background. Background repeat to set to no repeat to prevent the image from repeating. Background position to set to center to position the image in the center of the screen. Background attachment to set to fix to keep the background image in place when scrolling. And background size to set to cover to scale the image so that it covers the entire background area. And there you have successfully added a background image to your HTML and CSS project using Visual Studio Code. Experiment with different images and CSS properties like background repeat and background attachment to enhance your web page further. Next, consider exploring other CSS properties to style your text and layout for a more polished look. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.